or the left plus icon on the home page. Here you will enter your board name. For the purpose of this demo, I will title it Demo Board. You can also modify viewing and editing features as well as adding collaborators. Press Create Board. What you're seeing now is our whiteboard. Let me walk you through the ins and outs of our features. Located on the top left of your screen is our Interact tool. You can maneuver around the whiteboard by simply dragging towards the direction you want to see. Below the Interact icon is our Drawing tool. Let me just draw a smiley face right here. With the Drawing feature, you can customize the line width as well as colors of your marker. You can add colors through our Color Spectrum tab. Below the Drawing icon, we have the text box. Just click the T icon below, and here you can type anything you want. For the sake of this video, I'll just type hello and welcome. Now, with the text box, you have the freedom of customizing the font, color, as well as the standard features you would expect from a document, such as italics, underline, indentation, bold, etc. Under the text box, you have the plus sign icon. This is where you can import PDFs and images from your laptop by simply dragging onto the OneBoard. We also offer layout and page selections for PDFs, so you can select the number of pages you want to show on the OneBoard, as well as the layout. Below that, you have the Move feature. With Move, you can enlarge text boxes, move images and PDFs, and pretty much anything on the screen that is selected. If you want to move and remove certain items on your screen, that's where Select comes in. Select allows you to encircle an area on the whiteboard. Once selected, the item will be highlighted. Now, you can either choose to move these items using Move, or press Delete and remove them from your screen. Now, what if you want to get rid of certain parts of your writings or drawings? For that, you have the Eraser feature. Using Erase, you can erase certain parts of your writings or drawings by simply right-clicking and following through the motion. Anything the eraser touches, that stroke